Hey yo, what's going on, fellas? Welcome back to another episode in Believers Rebranded. This is where we grow, we learn, and we get better. So in today's video, guys, I want to be walking you through this crazy lo-fi R&B drum kit download 2022. It's crazy, man. Y'all know how we do it here in Believers. But before we actually get into that, you know what you got to do. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. Surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you an upload. And also, guys, if you're digging the content, if you're digging the FLP that I just played you guys, make sure to leave some nice emojis in the comment section. All right, without no further ado, let's go ahead and check out the FLP first so I can walk you guys through it. So there's a guitar, there's a pad, and there's a bass here. So let me just walk you in the mixer so you can see what happened. So as always, there's nothing crazy here. So for the guitar, I just, as you can see here, boosted around 25. Then I cut around 120 hertz. Then there's a soft clipper. There's a soft clipper here. And then I routed the guitar to this amplifier, as you can see here. I'm not going to explain to you guys what I did here. Once you actually get this FLP, you can go through this and just check out what I did here and see what this amplifier can actually do for you. This setting that I put here can do for you. So yeah, nothing crazy, man. So and then the pad. I cut around 300. I never want to take that bassy part of the pad. I just cut it out. Then I boosted around 25 hertz as always. Then I got a soft clipper. Then it's routed to this. Then I have this JJP compressor. This is a nice plugin, guys. Yo, you should use it a lot. It's nice. You check it out, bro. So waves. It's crazy, man. Does a lot for me. So once you actually get this FLP, you can check out the setting that I did here. So I boosted around in the highs, and I gave it a 9.8 in the lows, just a little bit, because as I said, I wanted to cut out the bassy part of the pad. So I never wanted too much of the lows. Then I boosted around. Then I boosted the highs. Sorry. So yeah, that's it. Nothing crazy, man. And then just the rest of the sound, just nice balancing. And then the bass, as always, you can see here, I just cut around. Then I boosted the subs a little bit. Sorry, on 60 hertz. Then here's where the kick comes in. So I just cut like 7 dB. This is where the kick comes in. Yeah, that's it, man. So and then. For the guitar and the pad, I sent it to one bus here. Sorry, where's the bus? Here. Then I use this SSL compressor by Waves, and just compressed it all together. So yeah, it makes your work easier. Having buses. Busing your stuff gives you a lot of space to work and saves you a lot of time and. So as for the drums, nothing crazy. I just routed it to this bus here, and I compressed it using this R compressor, which is also a nice plugin, guys. Check it out. It's for waves. So yeah, that's it. So I guess when you guys actually get this FLP, you can go through this whole thing and actually see for yourself what happened there. So without no further ado, actually, I forgot to show you guys in the master what happened. Sorry for that. So there's Maximus. As always, I told you guys I don't use Maximus for compression. I only use it for stereo separation. And then there's Vitamins. I added a little bit of saturation. I excited the mix a little bit. As you can see here, I boosted on the high mids. Then I boosted between 90 and 500 as always. That's where the kick comes in. So yeah, that's it. That's it, man. So the rest of the stuff, is just self-explanatory. You can just go ahead and check out for yourself. So let's go ahead and check out the drum kit itself. And I forgot to mention something. So for the ones who actually want to keep the guitar sound as it sounds, maybe you don't want to change it. Everything is here. The beat midis are here for the bass, for the guitar, and the pad. All you got to do is just load it up as a MIDI, and you can check it out. Now, for the ones who actually don't have the plugins that I used in making, let's say the guitar, so I got you, bro. So here on the instruments, it's in waveform. All you got to do is just load it up, and that's it. So yeah, that's it, man. It's everything you need is right here. So let's go ahead and check out the drum kit itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and open a new project here, an empty project. So let's go ahead and do that. Sorry. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and load up Triton. So let's go ahead and load up a piano, just any random piano, as long as you guys hear the MIDI. So let's go ahead and grand piano. So let me see, let's use this one here. All right, so where are the MIDI? So let's go ahead and load up the first MIDI. So I'll be using a BPM of, let's say, 50. This is lo-fi after all. All right, let's go ahead and load it up. All right, let's check it out. All right, the second MIDI. All right, the last MIDI. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the MIDIs. So let's go ahead and check out the drums. So I'm gonna start from here. The snares going up. So yeah, that's it for the rest of the sounds, man. That's it for the rest of the sounds. Straight up fire, straight up heat, man. So yeah, so link in the description down below. You know, and I told you guys, if you guys have if you guys have any suggestions, I've been saying this since last year, you know, just let me know what you guys would like to see on this channel. And also, guys, if you're digging the content, if you're digging the FLP, you're digging the sounds in here, make sure to leave some nice emojis in the comment section. So yeah, that's it, man. So enjoy the sounds, enjoy the FLP, the drum kit, everything in this package. May you learn, grow, and get better. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye, stay safe. Namaste, stay blessed.